Hey there guys, back for another SimpleShot Pro Tip, and again on the lines of safety. So it can never be understated enough that safety is paramount when shooting a slingshot. Now you might wonder why we put this pretty little piece of paracord on all of our slingshots. It's there for a reason, and it's very intentional. It's a lanyard. Put your wrist through it. No matter how strong you are, you could always lose your grip. And if you think about Newtonian physics, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. If you were to come to full draw and let go of the slingshot and not the pouch, the slingshot is now the projectile coming back at your face. So wear your safety glasses and always use the supplied lanyard. Safety first, and always have fun. Thanks for taking a look.